This is the new Blackout Comms Go Kit with mobile base station. This one has 2 full touchscreens that I have just released. Inside here I've got a Blackout Comms link that runs inside the base station to help extend your range. You could actually have several of these. This is the full touchscreen. These are encrypted off-grid messaging devices and location. I'm going to show you how this works. If I was just trying to talk between some devices, I wouldn't even necessarily need the base station, but it does extend the range because you can put the base station hang it from a tree or put it in an upper floor window somewhere where it's got better line of sight. Turn that on. Okay, turn this on. Boot up here. The light on the back will be red if there's no other trusted devices nearby, and it will turn green if there are. So you see it's green. I actually have 2 trusted devices here. One is this mobile base station, and I've also got this pager. What I'm going to show is what it's like to send a message. This pager, I'm going to send it a message. In my testing, I'm getting easily 3 to 4, even 5 or more miles between devices. So I could have this mobile base station 4 miles from this device and 3 or 4 miles from this device. I would actually be able to send a message 7 miles or more. That's through meshing. I'm just going to send a direct message right now. Whether it goes mesh or direct is pretty much automatic. Through the pager. Say hi, and I'm going to let it have up to an hour to deliver it if it needs it. That's the default. All the devices will work together to get the message to the pager. They'll have up to an hour or whatever I choose here. I can choose up to 24 hours. So I'm going to send it right now. Okay, so the packets were sent. The pager should confirm it in a minute, and there we go. That check mark means the pager definitely has the message on it. You can't see it very well because it's so bright out here, but the keyboard will flash on this thing when it's got a message. There we go. That's pretty much how the full screen works on the side of these mobile base units. The antenna SMA connector is here on the top. I also have a USB charging port here that's connected directly to that link, so you can charge it however you can get power. Works quite well with a variety of inexpensive solar panels that you can get from Amazon for even less than $20. This will keep that thing charged, no problem. There are better ones. This is an air vent so that it won't overheat if you leave it in the sun. If you get one of these kits, it's going to come with antennas for each device, and it's already going to be configured, ready to turn on and use it immediately. As you're checking out, you can add other devices, pagers, TDEC type devices, and some other things. So you're not going to have to figure out settings or how to flash firmware or any of that stuff. It's just ready. Pull it out, put the antenna on, turn it on. You may have to charge it. So these kits are available now.